With any new venture, it's best to start at the very beginning. Once you log into your ProfitGauges account, the first screen you will see is the overview page. Think of this page as your ProfitGauges homepage. Towards the top of the page, you will see the word Gauges in big bold letters. Following Gauges, you will see Trucks, Fuel, and Profit. These are tabs that will take you to the truck page, fuel gauges, and profit gauges. If you click on the trucks, this will take you to the truck page where you can find and follow different trucks and see the number of fuel ups they have and what their fuel mileage is. If you use fuel gauges and want to switch between fuel gauges and profit gauges, click on Fuel to go to fuel gauges and click on Profit to get back to the profit gauges screen. If you ever get lost and want to return to your overview page, just select the tab of the page you want to return to. You can also access these pages at the very top of the page by hovering over Gauges and then selecting the page you want from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand side of the overview page, you will see a box where you can upload a picture of a truck, or if you've already uploaded a picture, you will see the picture you have set for your account. Following down the left-hand side of the page, you will see Overview, Expenses, and Settlements. Whichever word is highlighted in gray is the page you are on. To access the other sections, simply click on the name. For example, if you want to enter your settlements, click on Settlements. In the next group underneath, you will see Business Report, Profit and Loss, and Tax Report. Just like with the sections above, to access your reports, simply click on the report you would like to view. Next up, we have the section titled Categories. This is what you will select when you need to manage the subcategories you have created in the Settlement and Expense sections. Next, we have Settings, Manage Trucks, Cheat Sheets, and Help. The Settings section is where you can customize whether you want your fuel to be tracked as miles per gallon or liter per kilometers, set your yearly profit goal, whether you'd like to sync your fuel and maintenance with fuel gauges, select your operating and taxed country, and select when your fiscal year ends. Manage Trucks is where you can add or remove trucks if you switch trucks or buy more trucks to add to your account. The cheat sheet is a handy document that we recommend printing and keeping close by when you enter your numbers. This sheet has all the expense categories that are used in profit gauges and lists the expense that fall under each category. When you click on Help, blue dots will appear, and when you hover over them, they'll give you more details about that section. To turn off Help, just click on Turn Off Help. On the middle of the page, the numbers at the top give you a summary of your total profit, total expenses, profit per mile, cost per mile, total miles, and total fuel cost. Underneath the number summary, you will see the word Show and then a box displaying the year. The year that is displayed in the box is the year the program is currently on. If you want to see previous years, click on the box and select the year you wish to view from the drop-down menu. Below Show and the year, once you have months entered and saved in the expense section, you will see rows of each saved month, how many settlements that are entered for each month, and the total amount in expenses for that month. Lastly, in the top right-hand corner of the page, if you hover over your username, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where you can select Account to update your personal information and password, or select Log Out from the drop-down menu to log out of your account. That about does it for the overview. Now it's time to dive into each section and enter some numbers.